Let's see if you two are doing anything fun today. Ah, I got a nice one. Tank. Why? Why did we get the agoraphobic dog? I didn't know you could put agoraphobia on a dog. Maybe doesn't touch grassitis would be more accurate. Try to knock over my shovel? That's my shovel. You don't get to knock over my shovel, because I use it to fill in the hole. You two love to dig. Anytime you get access to the little yard, or to the little fenced-in area without restriction. Because you got that stupid beaver thing. But you two do not get to take down my shovel. It's my shovel, not your shovels. Not you. You two don't co-own the shovel. And Tank most certainly does not own the shovel. I don't even think Tank owns his own soul. I think he sold it for a cat soul. Because this idiot acts like a cat sometimes. It's like he's trying to play at being a dog, but he acts like a kid cat. No. Which, do not need to be afraid. They don't like eating in front of me for some reason. Hello, Butch. That's a cool effect. Yeah, I'm not putting... Man, there's no way that can cause could cause a seizure. And plus, nowhere near enough people watch this for epilepsy to matter. If an epileptic watches this, I will be... Screw you. What other thing? Oh yeah, if an epileptic watches this, I will be deeply, deeply surprised. Butchie water. Butchie, you're treated.